Hello everyone, welcome back to Adventures with Tim. And today, we're going to be working on a little project here. So, it's been a while for me, I've been really busy. I haven't really had a lot of time to film and edit. In fact, there's probably a video out there I haven't edited yet. So, I have my filthy Z246 right here, and a AgriFab pull behind spreader. So this spreader, I've been liking this a lot. I've been really getting into taking care of my lawn, everything, watching Alan Hay, Lawn Care Nut, Ryan Knorr, even Connor Ward, and those guys have been teaching me a ton. And I've been getting some results. No more crabgrass. Nice and green all the way around. But they can teach you how to do a lawn. I'm having an issue. So with this zero turn and this spreader, the control arm for the spreader is right here. And when it's fully retracted, it's up there. Now, I don't know how long your arms are, but mine does not reach that control. So I have to do this weird little dance where I turn the control on, jump on the zero turn, and then go, and I spill whatever I'm spreading all over the place for the first 2 feet. So, I decided this has to be fixed. Went on Amazon, I'm going to link everything below, and I picked up a linear actuator. Now, my plan is to install this actuator here, somewhere here, so I can then control this with a flip of a switch. Well, that's the plan. We all know how plans go. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do for wiring. And this is just a tester. So I have a switch here. This is a maintain switch, so it maintains the direction. Here's the actuator. I have battery terminals here with just my charging port. So I'm probably going to use this plastic or something and just put a bolt on, so I can take this off easily. I don't want this to be a permanent thing on my mower. I want to be able to disconnect and connect it quite easily, because I'm not always spreading fertilizer or grub control or any of the other various things I use with this. So, and here's what I mean by maintain switch. So right now I have blue, green, black, red. I just have these clamps on as a test. There it goes. Okay, and then this automatically stops, has internal limits. That is about a 4-inch throw. So, but if I want to stop it halfway, I can. Okay, excellent. Proof of concept. Yeah, let's get this thing wired up. Bolting on. It's going to be interesting. Okay, here's where we're at. So, I didn't film me figuring things out because that's boring to watch. So, this AgriFab, there's a bolt right here. And I'm actually going to take this bolt right here and use it as a pin. Where's my mark? Right there. So I'm going to drill a hole through. Use my center punch here. Now I'm going to drill a hole right here. And how I figured that out is I extended it and brought it back in. And I used the brackets that came with the actuator itself to figure out exactly where all the way in is, and all the way out would still be closed. So it actually worked out great with this little actuator, and this thing is going to work for me. Okay, let's drill that hole. I'm using a 5/16 final bit with a 5/16 bolt. And if you, on Amazon, one of the best things about Amazon, you can find anything, but these little bolt kits are indispensable. If you don't have somebody who has all of their grandpa's bolts and been collecting for the years like me, I do not. Just getting one of those kits will get you everything you need to do every little project. Okay, so here's the final product. I didn't go crazy with the wiring. I don't ever plan on using this in the rain, so I just routed it underneath this hose here and through the switch in here, because I'm only going to be using it once in a while. Now to disconnect it, I could just disconnect it right from my battery disconnect here for using it as a trickle charger. And now there's 5. And full open, 10. There we go. Pretty simple. I just did wire nuts and some electrical tape. I'm not soldering and getting crazy. I don't ever plan on using this in the rain, because if you're spreading in the rain, you're most likely having trouble. So, let's see how I can reach this now. Oh look, it's right there. Perfect. This should make spreading something like Milorganite a lot easier. So, thanks for watching. Hope you learned something. I know I definitely learned some things. Never used a linear actuator before.